The previous Ridgeline had many tricks up its sleeve, particularly in back, and the new one promises to be as clever. As before, the bed itself is rendered in composites, but now it is separate from the cab and has grown to 5 feet, 4 inches in length and 5 feet in width. Honda claims that the Ridgeline will be the only mid-size truck with 48 inches of flat floor space between the wheel arches. Maximum payload is said to be nearly 1,600 pounds. Returning for duty is the Ridgeline's nifty, lockable in-bed trunk and dual-action tailgate, which opens to the side or folds down. New for 2017 is an available cargo bed audio system with 540 watts and 6 exciters in the walls. For anyone who doesn't know what an exciter is and why it's important to have a half dozen of them in one's bed, a Hemon exciter is a small motor assembly that spins at thousands of RPM, turning any sufficient surface to which it is mounted into a speaker. If a half dozen exciters aren't exciting enough for you, the Ridgeline's vibrating bed also can be equipped with a 400-watt inverter to power even more, exciting small appliances and power tools. We checked, and there doesn't appear to be a slot into which to insert quarters, but perhaps that will come with a mid-cycle refresh. Among other details yet to be released are how much horsepower and torque will be produced by the Ridgeline's direct-injected 3.5-liter V6. The engine makes 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft in the Pilot. Honda says it is still finalizing the Ridgeline's towing and payload ratings, revealing only that maximum payload is approaching 1,600 pounds and that it will tow more than the Pilot, which is rated to pull as much as 3,500 pounds with front-wheel drive and 5,000 pounds in AWD form. The previous Ridgeline could tow 5,000 pounds. We do know that a 6-speed automatic will be the sole transmission, and Honda is hoping to claim both best-in-class acceleration figures and fuel economy ratings. The now optional all-wheel drive system will include a torque vectoring function as well as a multi-mode terrain management system. Like the Pilot, the Ridgeline will offer a raft of safety features, too, including lane departure warning, road departure mitigation, collision warning, and avoidance systems, and lane keeping assistance. Our answers should come sooner than later, as Honda plans to launch the 2017 Ridgeline during the first half of this year, and it will be interesting to see if the current climate is more welcoming to this kind of truck. Watch this space for information about pricing, engine output, tow ratings, and equipment, which we will provide just as soon as Honda makes them available.